Today I would like to show you how I created this amazingly and highly functional homemade bar. So I started making cocktails 2 years ago at home, because I was a bartender in bars and hotels for many years. And since I started this blog dedicated at co.uk, the first cocktail blog where alcohol is not the protagonist, I started making cocktails at home, and especially with my colleagues, and especially cocktails with low ABV. Now we are filming every day how to prepare cocktails and drinks where the main ingredients are the superfoods, the probiotic drinks such as kombucha, for example, and other fermented drinks you will see in the coming days. But the first 3 episodes I've been focusing more on acai juice, matcha powder, ginger juice, coconut, dates, ingredients like this. In a moment where we are forced to work from home and we have to stay home, I like to film every day my tips and my knowledge, and share my knowledge and tell you more about the cocktails without alcohol and why I think these are important. This wouldn't be possible without my highly functional bar, and I like to take you through every single item and how it fixes it. I hope this will be a good tip, a good inspiration for you if you like to start making your cocktail, or if you are planning to make some YouTube videos or open an Instagram channel. You can do exactly what I did or to make it similar. Okay, so starting from this cabinet here, this is something that comes from the antique market from southwest London, a place called Camden Market. On sale for 220. We had a little deal with the seller, and we got it for 160. So this cabinet here is something like this. I wanted to do something that's exactly on my same level, and I want to be comfortable making cocktails here. So it's made in wood, in cherry wood. I think, well, the dealer said that this comes from the early 1900s, so it's probably 100 years old, but it still works very well for me to make my drinks at home. Very common, as every popular long drink in the summer. I'm going to serve this over ice cubes and top it with crushed ice. Something more modern here in the back. These shelves are from Amazon. They're quite good and they're resistant. They've got 2 wires in the back, 2 screws in the back. And I've got them for £15, this set of 2, and this costed another £20, if I remember well. I will link it below. And this was another 15, these 2, but they came from a different seller because they didn't have 2 of these available, so we've got something different. And I managed to squeeze here. I couldn't fit bottles, so I put all my little samples and the bitters. I've got some liquors on that side and syrups. Garnish and decoration. All these bottles, as I said before, they come from previous work or from gifts from the past. I'm not one of those who enjoys a little shot after dinner. So I'm slowly reducing the alcohol, and I'm increasing the flowers, the garnish, seaweed, and all my quality drinks. I put my kitchen table next to it. So I brought the table from the kitchen and I put a tablecloth here, and I'm preparing something. I like to have my setup here. So it's exactly as your bar should be. So you can have it in the back if you have more space. If you a wide living room as we do, you can even extend and go on the left side. For today I've prepared my juices, my acai juice, there are some garnishes here. There is also a selection of icing sugar flowers and herbs, all my shakers, these shakers, as you can see, they've been through 4 years at least of hard work and here in London, so they are a little bit scrapped and they're still shiny, they still work very well. On this side of my kitchen I have some more glassware, some other bottles, as I said, some gins that this was a gift from my last workplace, masks that we use for photo shootings. We have some more elegant glasses like this vintage coupette, or we have even this one that's in crystal. We mainly use these two glasses for elegant drinks, moody photography, crystal and minimalistic garnish. So we like to use these two glasses for them. Glasses like less expensive, like this blue here, I got it from a vintage market here in Chelsea. I think I bought this for 60 pence, less than a pound, and very resistant. So how they used to make them in back in the days, very resistant. Nicanora coupette. This is a gift from my friend Stefano. I laugh and I smile when I see this because this was meant to be a jallet mug, and I turned it into be a flower pot. I love using colors and I love using these little mugs here with printings and paintings from ancient China. This reminds of a moment of celebration. Matcha tools, again. Coffee pots from Italy, from antique markets here. We have a coffee grinder. We mainly use the tools that you see on this side as props for food styling and drink styling and photography when it comes to Marcella's side, which now she's holding the camera, but she's the one who makes those lovely photographs. So we use mainly cups like this, coffee grinder, teapots. I like to use teapots that are vintage as well. You can tell now I'm a lover of antiques and vintage things. Yeah. Other long drink cups. I was using this 2 days ago in my matcha cocktail on the first episode of the live shows. And while I'll go back to my bar and I'll prepare for today's live show, I want to thank you for your attention and thank you for staying with me in this 10 minutes of showing my home bar. I hope this was useful. I hope this kind of content is useful and serves as an inspiration for you. And I really hope that you will drop me a comment down there in the comments and subscribe to this YouTube channel. I'm growing this community that loves cocktails without alcohol or with superfoods and probiotic drinks, because I truly believe that I want to change the world and I want to help people understanding that bars are not just synonymous of liquors, booze, spirits, getting drunk and partying that way. I think bar can be also a place where you can sit down, enjoy a good cocktail, healthy for your body, healthy for yourself, and especially in this moment where we want to stay fit and healthy, we want to boost our immune system. I'm going to show every day at 11:30. Follow the Instagram and Facebook channel how to make cocktail with superfoods and vitamins and proteins and minerals. So from my side, from Domenico and Marcella behind the camera, this is all. I would love to see all your comments and like button. Just hit the like button and the subscribe button. I love you all. Thank you very much. This is Domenico. Cheers to your health.
I just wanna